If you want to find trash files on OnePlus 15, there are a couple of ways that allow you to access removed and deleted files. So first of all, we can go to the app drawer and we're gonna start with this My Files app. This is the file manager made by OnePlus. And over here, if we scroll down, we have recently deleted, and you should be able to find everything that you deleted using this file manager. So if you removed something from your phone using this app, then over here we can go to recently deleted in order to find it, as long as it is in there within 30 days since you removed it. Besides that, we also have the Files app by Google, which is also a file manager just made by Google. And in here we need to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and we can go to trash. And in here you should be able to find a bunch of different things as well that you have removed. And you can of course recover or delete permanently. And there is also the Photos app or the gallery. And in this case, if you want to recover something that you removed, like photos and videos, then you can go to Albums. And over here, if you scroll down, we have recently deleted. So you can also decide what you want to do with these files. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.